Hey guys, sa lahat naman nakikinig sa YouTube channel na to, we talk about law of attraction and other universal laws and all about manifestation. So 5 years and counting na ako guys na law of attraction and personal development advocate. At gusto ko sa inyo i-share today kung paano nga ba makapag-manifest ng sunod-sunod or paano mabago yung life mo in span of 12 months or within 1 year. So, number one, tip ko is you have to emit the frequency that you feel good. Like, every day. You have to prioritize that you feel good all the time. Ibig sabihin ng feeling good is kalma ka, meron kang peace of mind, alam mo yon, you're very assured of yourself, you're very confident, and then, you have to be happy. Kailangan masaya ka sa life na meron ka. At kung ano man yung trabaho mo, kung ano yung ginagawa mo, hanapin mo kung saan ka magiging masaya. Kasi when you feel good, you look good, and you're happy, you're enjoying pa ha? You're enjoying what you're doing right now. In terms of your job, in terms of your career, in everything. Or yung hobbies mo, like, girl, mataas ang frequency mo kapag kaganyan. So, kapag mataas ang frequency mo, you're vibrating in a high frequency, ibig sabihin, mas susceptible ka ngayon sa pag-attract ng matataas mong manifestation or matataas mong goals sa life mo. Kasi if you're vibrating in a low frequency, lagi kang nainis, lagi kang nagrereklamo, you don't feel good, you don't look good, and you're not happy, you're not enjoying, you're not calm, you do not have peace of mind, mare, asahan mo, ang mamanifest mo din is same frequency, same emotions na nagpo-produce ng ganong emotions. So, you cannot manifest from a state of lack. You cannot manifest from a negative frequency. Ang mamamanifest mo lang dyan is mabababa ding situation. Like, mabababang frequency na situation, sorry. So, same situation ng nafe-feel mo if you're vibrating in a low vibration, yun lang din yung mamamanifest mo sa life mo ng paulit-ulit. So, para ka nasa loophole na parang iniisip mo, bakit ganun? Parang ang malas-malas ko, ginagawa ko naman lahat, bakit ganun, mabuti man akong tao, pero bakit kahit anong gawin ko, ang malas-malas ko? Kasi you're vibrating in a low frequency. So, the universe wants you to prioritize yourself. The universe wants you to love yourself, to invest on yourself, so that you feel good, you look good. So, mas mabilis yung pag-magnetize mo sa opportunities and blessings. And especially, aminin na natin, we're living in a 3D reality. So, ibig sabihin, most of people is logical thinkers. So, nagbabasa sila sa 5 senses. So, kapag ka you look presentable and, di ba, madali yung opportunity. Madali ka ma-hire sa work and madali ka mag-connect with the other networks, other people. Kumbaga, alam mo yun. So, I hate to say this, but yeah, we're still living, or some people are living from 3D reality, or some companies, some businesses. So, you have to prioritize that you also feel and look good at the same time. Para, kumbaga, ultimate combination siya ng pag-magnetize ng manifestation. So, when you're into personal development, it's not enough that iisipin mo lang yung manifestation, you have to act on it, you have to take inspired action every single day. Dapat align yung action mo sa iniisip mo at sa sinasabi ng bibig mo. So, automatic guys, when you're stepping into personal development, kailangan mo din baguhin yung sarili mo from inside to outside. Yeah. Oo nga! So, kumbaga, matitest yung maximum potential nyo kapag naging seryoso na talaga kayo sa personal development, naging seryoso ka na baguhin yung buhay mo, naging seryoso ka sa manifestation. You need to change from within to without. Kasi hindi mag-work from without to within. Dapat from within to without. As within, so without. As above, so below. Law of correspondence. So, di ba? Kaya, pansin nyo, puro pag-glow up kapag you're into law of attraction or law of assumption. Like, you know it. Kailangan pag-glow up ka ng pag-glow up kasi you're vibrating in a high frequency and you maintain it. So, there's no other way around. Kumbaga, you're for progress already. Pataas ka ng pataas. So, ibig sabihin, susunod din yung katawan mo doon. Makikita yon, like yung aura mo, iba, hindi ka pa nagsasalita, maganda na yung aura mo. Kitang-kita na talagang inaalagaan mo din yung sarili mo and everything. So, that's one of the secrets to manifestation, guys. And I hope may nakuha kayo sa video na to. I sincerely want na makita yung mga nanonood sa akin na may resulta sa buhay nila or sa buhay nyo. Kung sino ka man na nakikinig sa akin ngayon, I hope by the time comes, mag-comment ka dito sa video na to, sa YouTube, dito sa ginawa kong content. At share mo yung manifestation stories mo. Kasi gustong gusto ko talagang makita na may nagbago sa'yo. Like, hindi lang basta pagbabago. Like, massive quantum leap. Kaya sinishare ko, guys, lahat ng nalalaman ko dito sa YouTube channel ko. Gusto kong maging maayos ka. Maging maayos yung buhay mo in all aspects of your life. So, this is a sign. Pagkatapos mo tong video na to, prioritize yourself. You have to feel good. You have to look good. You be happy. Enjoy your life. And invest on yourself. Love yourself. It's all about you. So, kapag pinanghuli mo yung sarili mo, ibig sabihin, you're vibrating in the low frequency. You have to prioritize yourself. Okay? Over everyone. Siyempre, God, yourself, and, Anyway, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.